guy is making Naswar. Naswar means snuff. You can also call it SNUS. It's a big tradition in Peshawar, especially tobacco.
That's tobacco? It's green.
This is I don't know the name, but it's some special thing, you know.
Always nice to have some special thing in your snooze. Just the fumes that are coming off of this are
strong.
Very strong for me. Tobacco, crack, tobacco. So now he's wrapping it up. This is 20 rupees right here. Oh, look at that. Is he buying?
Oh, yeah.
What does the average person consume? Like one of these per day or more than one?
Maybe someone more
Addicted, yeah.
They maybe use 3.
This guy here takes 3. Yeah, right? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So what is that?
This is a big bulk, like shopping bag has many bags. The shopkeeper buy this, then he sell one by one.
My goodness, this is very heavy.
They supply to Afghanistan, exported.
This guy does?
Yes.
Really?
And also supplies all over Peshawar.
How is it? It's good? No? Needs more banging? It needs more of the lime. He's basically modifying his recipe as he goes along. He's smelling it to see how it smells, and if he needs more lime, if he needs more tobacco, or whatever he needs. You want me to try this? It's gonna make me sick. I'm not gonna try it. Okay. And how long does he keep it in his mouth?
20 minutes in the mouth.
How do you feel?
Okay.
Just okay?
Strong.
Do you feel awake?
Yes.
Do you feel alive? Do you feel like singing?
It's okay.
It's okay?
He's used to it, you know.
So he's addicted.
He is addictive. He's using for a long time. But if somebody new tries it, he will be flying in the air because it's very strong.
That, my friends, is why I will not be trying it today.
He has 2 types of bags. One is 20 rupees, one is 30 rupees. So the
Okay.
bigger one is 30 rupees.
I'll bet you this guy does 3 30 rupee ones.
It's stronger than hashish. Very strong.
But it's cheaper than hashish.
Yeah, but it's very strong.
You gotta put some more in there, yeah. Show us how strong you are. Good? I'll check back with you in a half an hour. Shukriya, my friend. Good luck. Mashallah. Oh, that's a very strong handshake. Ah! Oh! Ow! Woo! Hey guys, if you're still here, you're gonna love my other videos from 6 incredible weeks in Pakistan. From unique food, to killer festivals, to wacky sports like kabaddi. I have so many interesting stories to tell. You know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun. And while you're at it, check out another video right here. Pakistan Zindabad!